10 little soldier boys went out to dine. One shocked his little self, and then there were 9. 9 little soldier boys sat up very late. One overslept himself, and then there were 8. 8 little soldier boys travelling in Devon. One said he stayed there, and then there were 7. 7 little soldier boys trapped up 6. One chopped himself in half, and then there were 6. 6 little soldier boys playing with a hive. A bumblebee stung one, and then there were 5. 5 little soldier boys going in for law. One got in chancery, and then there were 5. One little soldier boy left all alone. He went out and hanged himself, and then there were none.